Miss Judy from the library. Today we're going to do some more exploring in nature. I thought we'd go look for some bugs and insects today. Not only that, but I think we'll do some creating of bugs and insects with maybe leaves and sticks. We can make little art critters. So come on, let's go explore. Sometimes bugs like to hide under logs. Let's investigate and see what we see. You see any bugs under there? Where is he? So here we are looking at some leaves. I think the bugs are eating these leaves because look at the bug holes in it, and look at this one. Let's turn over the leaf and see what we see. Wow, so cool. Bugs will have to eat too. Here's another fun creature we made out of leaves, rocks. As you can see, bugs like to eat old trees. I hear a woodpecker. He's drilling for bugs. What insect made a pattern like that on the tree? We had a great day exploring for bugs and insects. We saw so many fun ones. What will you see on your nature walk? And a special thanks to my explorer, Mr. Steve, who helped me today. We'll see you next time.